Technical equipment has a lot to endure on construction sites. Devices are exposed to dust and dirt as well as being dropped. The Leica DISTO X3 laser distance measure is specifically developed to be used on construction sites. It's extremely robust and withstands drop heights of up to 2 meters without damage. This durable device is IP65 protected, allowing you to clean it under running water without harm. All measurement results are easily read on screen. The display rotates according to the measurement direction. It measures distances of up to 150 meters with millimeter precision. And there are numerous other applications for the DISTO X3. All these sophisticated features make the DISTO X3 the ideal measurement tool for anybody working on construction sites. Find out more online.